तो हे गाइस, आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपकी एज जो है 18 साल से ऊपर की है तो आप ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो हमारे जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन प्लेयर हैं उनसे एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप ज़रूर से ज़रूर अपने आसपास के ब्लड बैंक्स, कैंप और हॉस्पिटल्स में जाकर आप लोग ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इससे किसी की एक लाइफ जो है बच सकती है।
Chandigarh is my capital. Sarson ka saag, makki di roti are the famous dishes of west Punjabi. Bhangra and Gida are the famous dance of Punjab. Balle balle shabash shabash tuwa. My name is Shubhani and class studying. I am very famous Jammu and Kashmir. This is my capital. That was the famous dish. Thank you. In Jammu and Kashmir, people speak Dogri language. Tubli festival and Sikara festival are the famous festival of Jammu and Kashmir.
Delighted to be all with us in this exhibition that we are organizing in LCM International School. We are the students of class 9 make the project on Chandrayaan 3, LCM M3, M4 rocket, Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. Myself Vaishnavi Gupta.
Myself Isri Choratiya.
Myself Aniket Singh. Myself Vishal.
Let's have a look on these projects please.
Event of India's prestigious LBM-3 M4 Chandrayaan 3. The mission of ISRO
To the moon.
minus 20 seconds. Minus 50. 10,
9, 8, 7,
6, 5,
on this
4.
Vikram lander, Pragyan rover and moon south pole surface. As we all know that India is the first country which land on the moon south pole surface, and it is for us. LBM-3 M4 rocket is launched from India on 14 July 2023 and land on the moon surface 23rd August 2023. As we all know that it is a very proud moment for us. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Janvi. I study in class 3rd. Today we are going to tell you something about different types of lines. Line segment. A line segment has two end points and a measurable length. Line. A set of points extending infinitely in opposite directions. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Akul Tiwari. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell about different types of lines. Perpendicular line. Line that will stay and some direction operate. My name is sir. My name is Samar Rajput. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you something about type of lines. Perpendicular lines that cross two from a right angle. Intersecting line that cross but do not form a right angle. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. We have made the different types of angle with the help of our 3D working model. Jyotsna, can you tell me what is the straight angle? Yes, straight angle which formed with a combination of two right angles. It looks like a straight line, like this. Sir, tell me what is obtuse angle? Yes, which is greater than the right angle but smaller than straight angle, like this. Vedant, can you tell me what is the right angle? Yes, right angle. It's shaped like L, which measures 90 degrees, like this. Navya, can you tell me what is the acute angle? Yes, acute angle is smaller than a right angle, like this. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is our project types of angles. My name is Ashutosh Machabe from class 5.
My name is Shivarka Gupta from class 5.
This is our project types of angles. The two rays with common endpoint is called an angle. The common endpoint is called vertex. There are 6 types of angles: acute angle, reflex angle, straight angle, and obtuse angle.
An angle measuring 0 is called a zero angle. An angle measuring 0 degree and 90 degree is called a acute angle. An angle measuring 90 degrees is called a right angle. An angle measuring greater than 90 and less than 180 is called a obtuse angle. An angle measuring 180 is called a straight angle. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Today we have to tell about some common features 500 rupees note. Vishnu, can you tell us some common features 500 rupees note?
Yes, I can tell. Free throat register with 500 rupees note. 500 rupees note is extremely left side on 500 rupees note. Latest image with the denominational numeral 500 is present on extremely left side. The few feature is the introduction of the 500 rupees note in the Devanagari script. Ane, can you tell some more features of 500 rupees note?
Yes, just next to Mahatma Gandhi image, micro letters are visible. The window thread on the right of the Mahatma's image changed its color blue to green when I noticed that. Just next to Mahatma Gandhi's image changed its color from blue to green when I noticed title. Number panel going small to bigger when I noticed title. Akarshay, can you tell the another features 500 rupees note?
Yes, Ashok panel is visible on the extreme right side of the note. Swachh Bharat logo with slogan is displayed on the right side of the note. The red fort is the historical red fort showcased. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. My name is Tracy Tripathi. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you something about fraction. When a whole is divided into two parts, it is called 1/2. It is known as 1/2. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishna Gupta. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you something about fraction. When two parts out of 8 equal parts are shaded, it means 2/8 to 8 are shaded. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, sir. My name is Arvind Kumar Chani. Today I am going to tell you something about fraction. Fraction are equal part of whole. When a whole divided into three equal parts, each part is called double side. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Shalvi. Today I am going to tell you something about solid shapes.
Shapes which can be measured in three directions are called three-dimensional shapes. These shapes are also called solids. Length, breadth, and height are the three measurements of the three-dimensional shapes. These are the part of three-dimensional geometry. A triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid is a 3D shape which have four literal faces. A sphere. A sphere is a geometrical shape with no edges and vertices. A cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape with two circular bases. Square pyramid. A square pyramid is a 3D shape with four literal faces. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. In geometry, a cuboid is a hexahedron, a six-faced solid. Its faces are quadrilateral. It has length, breadth, and height. Triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. In geometry, a triangular prism is a three-sided prism. It is a polyhedron made of a triangular base, a translated copy, and three faces are joining corresponding sides. Cone. This is a cone. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers flat base, frequently though not necessarily circular. This is a cube. The cube solid shape which has six faces. It is one of the simplest shape in the 3D space. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Soumya. We have prepared a model of
Soumya, can you tell me what is the data handling?
Yes, data handling is collection of set and data is different from data. Data is a collection of the numerical figures. Now, Aradhya, you can tell me what is a bar graph?
Yes, simple bar graph is a graphical representation of data made by part of a whole. Now, let us see what is a graph. Now, Soumya, can you tell me what is a line graph?
Yes, line graph is a type of the relationship between two numbers. One is plotted by the x-axis and the other number is plotted by the y-axis.
Can you tell me what is a
Yes, a circle graph is a visual representation of data made by representation of data which is.
Mitushi, can you tell me what is a pie chart?
pie chart? Is a type of angle that represents
Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Sneha Tripathi. I study in class 3. Today I am going to tell you something about Roman number. You use the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 to write number. Indian mathematics developed this number system and it introduced it to the rest of the world. It is called Hindu-Arabic system. All ago, the Romans used 7 letters to write number. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Gayatri Trivedi. I study in class 3. Today I am going to tell you something about Roman numerals. These letters were put together according to given rules to form numbers. The Roman system did not use 0. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. This is a bar graph where the lengths of bar are multiplications of measure of data. And you tell me some abilities of bar graph.
Yes, I am
I can tell. Bar graph have an x-axis and y-axis. Tell me bar graph in real life.
Yes, I am bar graph in real life. Bar graph
Hello.
are commonly used to represent business data by tracking simple bars or lines. This allows them to ask questions and gather information about themselves and their information.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Archisha Pandya. I study in class 4. Today I am going to tell about types of teeth. When we look at our teeth in the mirror, we see that there are different shapes and sizes. There are different kinds of teeth having different functions. Cutting teeth. These are your front teeth in each jaw. They are called incisors. They have a sharp edges. Tearing teeth. They are present in either side of jaw. They of the incisors. They have a sharp and pointed teeth and are called canines. Grinding teeth. These are flat and broad next to canines. These teeth help us to grinding the food into a soft lump. The first two teeth in either side of jaw are called premolars. The next three teeth at the back of the mouth on both sides are called molars. Thank you. Good morning, sir. We made the project on satellite.
Sanya, can you tell me what is a satellite?
Yes, satellite is an object in space that orbit around a bigger object.
But I heard there are two types of satellites.
Yes, there are two types of satellite. One is the artificial satellite and second one is the natural.
Can you tell me the name of natural satellite?
Yes, moon is the natural satellite.
Then what are the artificial satellites?
Artificial satellites are man-made objects that orbit the Earth in the solar system. These satellites help in forecast radius, television and transmission location of resources, etc.
Sanya, tell me the name of first artificial satellite.
The first artificial satellite are Sputnik 1. Now it's over. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vanshika.
My name is Kavya Shukla.
I study in class 4. Today I am here to discuss of state of matter.
We see many objects around us. Those objects are different in one another shape, size, color, and texture. Vanshika, can you tell what is matter?
Yes, I am 10. Matter exists in different kinds of things. Matter, three types of matter: gases, liquid, and solid. Kavya, you can tell what is a solid?
Yes, I can tell. As you can see in solid state, the matter has a definite amount of shape and it occupies a definite amount. This matter has life close to each other. Vanshika, can you tell what is liquid state?
Yes, I am 10. In liquid state occupies this amount of shapes. Example of liquid: water, juice, and milk. Kavya, you can tell what is an example of gases?
Yes, I can tell. Example of gas are water. Example of gas and air, oxygen, water vapor.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon,
We get energy from sources such as solar energy, from the sun, wind energy, from hydraulic energy, from water, etc. Following water was energy in it. The energy of following water is called the hydraulic energy.
source of energy on the earth. It gives us energy in the form of heat and light. The energy received the sun is called solar energy. The moving here, wind energy. Wind energy is used to move the blades of a windmill. Windmill help in generating electricity and pumping out underground water.
Have a nice day. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Utkarsh. I study in class 4.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is George. I am studying class 4.
When we point to different work with our hand, we use some tools. These two help us to do the work. They are called simple machines.
Pulley. In a pulley, a cord is left around a wheel. As the wheel rotates, the cord moves it in place.
Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle make the movement of object easier. The rod that connected of the vehicle is the axle. The axle moves the wheel.
Lever. A lever is a simple machine which is used to open, lift, weight, and cutting.
An inclined plane is a ramp as used in a simple machine. It can move object through a distance or lift a heavy box or truck much easily. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Advik Dwivedi from class 5.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ansara from class 12. Shadvik, what is this?
This is an electric model of a lift.
What is its uses?
It is a vertical vehicle. It is used for lifting things.
Can you tell me who invented this?
Alicia Groves Otis had invented lift in 1852. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Siddharth Gupta. I study in class 4. Today I am going to tell you the first aid box. There are many important things in first aid box. We should keep in any from the reach of the children and should be not used in playing. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am going to tell you something about my topic is first aid box. Don't it give to a person before the doctor or always call first aid. Good first aid can save a life.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mashi Singh from class 5th. We have made the project on global warming. Yes, Ajit, you can tell me what is global warming?
Global warming is a gradual increase in the Earth's temperature, generally due to the greenhouse effect is caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, gases, and other pollution.
Yes, Devash. Did you can tell me the causes of global warming? Yes, the causes of global warming are burning fossil fuel, deforestation, agriculture and farming.
Yes, Ashmi, can you tell me how we can reduce the global warming? By TRS rule. Yes, Devash, you can tell me what TRS rule?
3 R's mean reduce, reuse and recycle the object. Thank you. My name is Ansarma from class 5th.
My name is Akira from class 5.
We made the project on pulley. Yes, Agra, you can tell me what is a pulley?
Yes, it's a simple machine.
Yes, Trisha, do you know who has invented the pulley?
Yes, I know. It was built by John Herbert.
Agra, you can tell me what is the use of pulley?
With the help of pulley, we can lift it easily.
Trisha, can you tell me different parts of pulley?
It has 3 parts, a wheel and a capsule and a rope.
And the rope. Let us show you how does it work. Thank you. Yes, the causes of global warming are burning. Yes, the causes of global warming are burning fossil fuels, deforestation, agriculture and farming. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Anstusha. I study in class 5.
Good morning, sir. My name is Advait Khare. I study in class 5. We have made the project of magnetic swing.
Hey, Advait, can you tell me how does it work?
Yes, when the direction of the magnetic field reverses or flipping over the magnet, the force of magnet also reverses.
Okay, let me do the summary of magnets. So all magnets have north and south poles. Opposing poles are attracted to each while the same poles repel each other is called summary of magnets. Like this work. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Soumya Kumari. I study in class 4.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sharma Sharma. I study in class 4.
Today we are going to tell you something about physical map of India.
Soumya, can you tell me something about the map?
Yes, sure. A map is a pictorial chart of a neighborhood, a city, or a world. It shows place, buildings, factories, roads, railway line, ponds, lakes, bridges, etc.
Also show direction in relation to contain signs, symbol, and scale to locate the places shown on it.
Direction of map. East, west, north, south are the 4 main directions. Besides these sub-direction also.
Sub-direction is between 2 main directions. 4 sub-directions are as follows.
The direction of map is shown by an arrow. Shivansh, can you tell me something about the language of map?
Yes, the language of map. The basic element of map are distant directions.
The direction and the general authority is the tip of the arrow is make and north.
Mark in the upper right hand cover.
The direction is and the tip of the arrow is make and north.
These signs and symbols are much smaller in size and most of them use countries of the world.
These signs and symbols are also called conventional symbols. Thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Among Mr. in class 4th.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anamika Singh. I study in class 4.
Today we make a model of rainwater harvesting. And today we are going to explain the rainwater harvesting. Hey Namta, can you tell some lines on rainwater harvesting?
Yes, I can. Rainwater harvesting refills the water collected for the future. Hey Amok, can you also tell some lines of it?
Yes, I can. Normally the rainwater ends up in the drains and is not of any use. This rainwater is collected through the pipes.
The water from the roof of houses can collect through the pipes and stored in underground tank. This water needs to be filtered before that and before the pebbles and the roof.
Alternatively, all the rainwater is stored and collected in underground natural pits from where it can seep into the ground is called rainwater harvesting. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good afternoon. My name is Falguni Kushwaha and I study in class 3rd. My name is Amtosh Kumar Chaudhary. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you something about terrarium. Terrarium is like an aquarium but for plants instead of fish. It is made in just about any glass container. It is planted to look like a miniature garden or forest enclosed in its own little bulb. A terrarium has its own neat lighting. The container has just a small opening or sometimes even a lid to completely enclose the container. Sunlight enters through the glass and warms the soil air. In the presence of light and heat, water evaporates from the ground and soil. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Aditya. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to tell you something about food pyramid. Food pyramid is a guide that helps us to understand what type of food should we eat and by how much of each.
It shows us that the majority of our diet shelter comes from healthy carbohydrates like grains and fruit.
We also need smaller type of vitamin and minerals from vegetable and fruits. From vegetables and fruit, protein is important too, but we only need in a moderate amount quantities.
Fat and oil are needed, but occur in very small quantity.
Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. In first step, I put stones through them. First, dirty water goes to the next step that has pebbles. After this, water goes to the next step that has sand. Where water purified, and then it goes to the next step that has cotton. After this, water goes to the next step after passing through cotton, finally we got purified water. Thank you.
Okay, I got it. This way we can purify the dirty water. After that, we can use it.
Good morning, sir. My name is Samarth. I study in class 3rd. Today we are going to tell you something about water cycle. It is controlled by the heat of the sun. Today, when plant give out water vapor, it is called transpiration. When where the water vapor converts into liquid water, these droplets get so heavy that the air in the atmosphere can no longer hold up in the sky. Rainwater collects in seas, rivers and ponds. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Pragvi Sharma. We study class 4. Today I am going to tell you something about phases of the moon.
My name is Arush Tiwari from class 5. Today, this is the model of the phases of the moon. Did you know that the moon is different types in night? It goes from a thin crescent to the full moon, then it sinks back to the crescent every month.
Yes, I know because the moon rotated around the earth and the sunlight get reflected of the moon at different angles. Can you tell me the phases of the moon? The moon phases in order are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, waning crescent. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Shreya Yadav.
Good morning, myself Eric Shrestha. Good morning, sir. My name is Latif Sarwar.
In the food chain, green plant are eaten by a grasshopper.
Then eaten by a frog.
Then it is eaten by a snake, and lastly eagle is eaten by a snake.
All living things need food to live and grow, but plants make their own food.
She refers to the order of life in an ecosystem,
Where living organ eat another organ.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। ये हम लोगों ने ऑटोमेटिक वाटर डिस्पेंसर बनाया है, जिसमें कि हम लोगों ने सेंसर, 5 वोल्ट की रिले और 3.7 वोल्ट की बैटरी, यहाँ पे लिथियम आयन बैटरी यूज़ की है। जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि पुराने के समय लोग मटके में पानी पिया करते थे, लेकिन आज के लोगों ने मटके में पानी पीना छोड़ दिया। इसलिए यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ट्रेडिशनल प्लस मॉडर्न मेथड को ऐड करके ये प्रोडक्ट बनाया है। सर, जिस तरीके से हम लोग जैसे इसके नीचे पानी ग्लास ले जाएंगे, ये अपने आप ऑटोमेटिक पानी इसमें आ जाएगा। प्लस सर, हम लोगों ने इसमें फिल्ट्रेशन सिस्टम भी ऐड किया है, जिसमें हम लोगों ने नेट, फिल्ट्रेशन, स्टोन, सैंड और कॉर्ड से हम लोग इसमें गंदा पानी डालेंगे तो सर ये फिल्टर होके पानी अंदर साफ पानी जाएगा। और सर इसमें हमारा इवेपोरेशन का प्रोसेस होता है जिससे गर्मियों में पानी ठंडा भी रहेगा।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। आज हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज। हम लोग जैसे इंडस्ट्रीज से काफ़ी सारा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करते हैं, उससे अच्छा अगर हम लोग नेचर की मदद से अगर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करना स्टार्ट कर दें तो हमारी जो डिसीजेज हैं कई सारे जैसे कैंसर और काफ़ी सारी डिसीजेज हैं उनसे हमको आराम मिल सकता है। रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज जैसे विंड मिल्स हम लोग काफ़ी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट कर सकते हैं और सोलर पैनल से। और सोलर पैनल को हमें हर घर में लगाना चाहिए जिससे हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करें और अपने घर पे यूज करें। थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, sir. I am Aradhya Singh from class 8.
I am Lucky Dubey from class 8th.
I am Kajal Yadav from class 8th. This is our project pollution. In this project we are telling you about pollution. You can see whenever we go out with our friends, family, including us, we throw garbage or wrappers anywhere in road, plains, rivers, everywhere, which is harmful for us because from river we drink water, and sometimes this also happen that people do nuclear tests without any reason, which causes air pollution. And sometimes every time this happens because the pollution from industry goes to garbage directly, which is very, very harmful for us because we drink that water from river. This is very harmful to our earth atmosphere, and this also causes global warming, and this affects in ozone layer.
All the wastage of shop, homes, industries are thrown in the river, and sometimes people throw on it roads or trains. This is the main reason for water, soil and land pollution.
Nuclear power plant create air pollution, thermal pollution and radioactive pollution. The wastage of radioactive material is also known as radioactive pollution. Air pollution is a physical and chemical change in air which is harmful for us. Thank you.
This is a smart city. This is a windmill. This is a garden. This is a water fountain. This is a light. This is a smart city. हमको गार्डन में जाना चाहिए, हर जगह पेड़ पौधे लगाने चाहिए जिससे हमको ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड होती है। हमको पेड़ पौधे नहीं काटने चाहिए और पेड़ पौधे लगाने चाहिए। वाटर है, वाटर को सेव करना चाहिए। वाटर को सेव करेंगे तो हमें लोगों को दिक्कत नहीं होगी और आने वाली जनरेशन को भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी। इसलिए हमेशा वाटर को सेव करें। दिस इज अ विंड मिल, इसको चलाते हैं, इससे हम लोगों को इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोवाइड करते हैं। सोलर सिस्टम ये लगाना चाहिए, इससे भी हम लोगों को इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोवाइड होती है। और लाइट, शहर में लाइट लगानी चाहिए हर जगह, क्योंकि कहीं भी अंधेरा ना रहे और शहर में साफ सफाई का ध्यान दिया जाए।
Good morning, myself Ananya Singh and I am from class 9B. Today I have made a project to how a dialysis works. Dialysis is nothing but a procedure to remove waste products and excess fluid from blood when the kidney stops working. During the hemodialysis process, your blood passes through a tube into an artificial kidney or a filter. The filter is called as a dialyzer, which is divided into two parts and separated by a thin wall. Passes through one part of the filter, special fluid in the other part draws out the blood. Your blood then goes back to the body and through a tube. Thank you.
Sir, it is a working model. Its name is Thunderstorm, and also we have done lightning under the clouds, and we have made aluminium foil, and we have also prepared a chart related to it and a file related to it.
My project name is Layer Security for Home. When the light is broke, then it activates buzzer. When the light is broken, then it activates the buzzer or alarm. See this car. My name is Devansh Gupta. My partner name is Chetlan Pade. My model name is Laser Security for Village. Any car or vehicles enter the gate, then detect the and laser breakdown, then sound this. Good afternoon, I am Anmol Mishra and he is Raj Kanodia. We making project about automatically street lights. When our satellite falls on the LDR, it senses and on the lights it senses and on the headlight. After the car travel by the pathway, the lights were automatically off.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, माई सेल्फ नीतीश शर्मा, आई एम फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 9th। तो मैंने बनाई है टेस्ला कॉइल। इसको इन्वेंट किया था सर निकोला टेस्ला ने, जो कि बहुत महान वैज्ञानिक थे। इसकी मदद से हम लो वोल्टेज करंट को हाई वोल्टेज करंट में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास है ये 2 9 वोल्ट की बैटरी, तो इससे मैं ये 220 वोल्ट की ट्यूबलाइट को जलाऊंगा तो बिना किसी डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन के ट्यूबलाइट अपने आप ग्लो करने लगेगी। ये देखिए, तो बेसिकली जो इसका यूज है हम बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज में कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे इसकी मदद से पूरी इंडस्ट्रीज की लाइट को ग्लो अप किया जा सकता है। लो वोल्टेज करंट से हाई वोल्टेज लाइट को ग्लो अप कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
गुड आफ्टरनून सर, मेरा नाम है मयंक सिंह, ये है सूर्या सिंह। हम दोनों ने बनाया है वायरलेस इंडक्शन सर्किट। तो बेसिकली इस इंडक्शन सर्किट में होता ये है कि बिना किसी तार के हम लोग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का यूज करके लाइट को जलाएंगे। अब जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे कनेक्शन कर दिया, यहाँ पे लाइट जल रही है, लेकिन यहाँ बीच में कोई भी वायर नहीं है। ये हो रहा है इस इंडक्शन सर्किट की मदद से। यहाँ पे कोई भी वायर नहीं है, इन दोनों कॉपर वायर के बीच में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्रिएट हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से ये लाइट जल रही है। और ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये हेनरिच हर्ट्ज से डिस्कवर की थी। इस टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज हम लोग वायरलेस चार्जिंग में कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। So good afternoon. My name is Astik Awasthi. I am from class 9th. This is my experiment, which is known as Newton's fluid. In this experiment,
My name is Udak Nadia from class 9. So this is my experiment is to find carbohydrate and starch in this substance.
This is sir iodine.
This is iodine solution. तो चेंज इन कलर तो जब इसका कलर चेंज होता है इसका मतलब इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड स्टार्च है. Let's see.
In this there is no carbohydrate and starch.
सर इसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड स्टार्च नहीं है सर, इसका कलर चेंज नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, व्हाट इज द स्टार्च?
Our total topic is about protein testing. Means today we are here to tell you about protein testing. Myself Anushka and he is Divakar.
My name is Kaustubh Singh Chauhan. My name is Akshay Sutra. I am from class 8. This is the kidney working model. In this project, we will make the urinary system. This is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. Left kidney is low and left kidney is upper. Because of the right kidney is low, there is the liver and this is the urinary system full process. This is our urinary system. Thank you.
My name is Aradhya Gupta. And we made a project of circulatory system and we made a working model of heart. The circulatory system contains the heart and blood vessels and blood from the body. The circulatory system provides blood to all
जो भी स्टूडेंट पुनः ध्यान दें।
There's the question again, how does the heart work? This is the deoxygenated blood which comes from veins enter the heart with the supra-vena cava in the right atrium to the right ventricle and comes out of the heart by the pulmonary arteries, go to the lungs and take oxygen from the lungs, and this is oxygenated blood which comes back to the heart by the pulmonary veins and back to the left ventricle to the left atrium and comes out of the heart by the aorta. This is all about the circulatory system. Thank you so much.